Hello everyone, welcome back. We are learning how to build APIs, and in this video we are going to create a server, right? So let's just start. So this is Node.js I was talking about. So as I mentioned earlier, it is a JavaScript runtime built over Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, right? So the Chrome uses JavaScript V8 JavaScript engine to run JavaScript under it, and Node uses the same V8 JavaScript engine, right? What's the difference? So the thing was that JavaScript was basically developed so that we can manipulate DOMs using that language, and we can do something with that. For a very long time, our JavaScript usage was limited to only in web browser, and our V8 engine was context was limited to the DOM context, right? So that's why we were not able to do other thing with JavaScript, right? So people thought, why not just take out that V8 engine from the browser, and give access to some things, and so that we can do some other thing using JavaScript. So people develop Node.js, and because of this, now we can develop server. We can develop server in JavaScript, right? So that's the Node.js uses same that the V8 JS engine which our Chrome basically use, right? So this is the Node official website. As it is mentioned that current LTS, that is long term support version, is 12.16, and the current version is 13.12, right? So we will be using Express also. Let's see what's there on Express official documentation, and at the same time let's just set up our project. So I have installed this Node. You should also should install Node, so that on your local system, so that we can work on it, right? So let me just show you my Node version, right? So it's 12.14, and along with Node, npm comes by default. So let me see, npm version, this is 6.13. so npm is a Node package manager using which we can install all the dependency that we are going to use in our project, right? So let's just see the Express. So it's saying that fast, unopinionated, minimalistic web framework for Node.js. So why they are claiming this, of course we will understand moving forward in this series, right? So you can install Express using npm install Express, right? So let's just start coding, right? Our first project. So let me just navigate to desktop, and let me make a folder directory in which we will be working, and let me name it as APIs. Cool. Let me navigate to APIs. It's pcaps. Cool. So let's set up initialize a project here, and that we can do by npm init, right? So our package name is APIs, version is 101, description: learn to build APIs. Entry point should be index.js. What's that? We will be discussing it next in video. Keyword should be the author. Let me, you can name yours. License I can give, I'll leave it yes, right? So there is a package.json is there. What's written there? Let me just see in VS Code. So as you can see that it has created a package.json which consists all the information related to our project here, right? So as I told you earlier, we are going to use Express as our server. That is the web framework build over works on Node. So let me just install it. npm install Express save. It should be installing Express, right? So I think my internet is slow bit, so it can take some time, right? So till then, as we discussed earlier, the entry point for our application is going to be index.js. so let's just create that file, and we will be using it, index.js, right? So till we are installing Express, let me write some command. Let me just do one thing. Let me close this terminal and open terminal from here in VS Code only. And let me do npm install. Is it okay? Can use this express. So till it's installing, let me get express using this command. Let me require this is express, right? Cool. I need to define a port on which my server will be running. So for that, define 9000. Let me create an app and give it all the functionality of express so that we can use it. So this is our app, and let's fire up our server here, right? So to fire up, I need to say app.listen, and it will take a port and a callback function, right? It will be taking callback function will take error. If it's error, I have to print it over console. Error in firing server and return from here. If error is not there, let's just print on console that server is up and running at port. Let's just print this at which port we are running our server, right? And let me just say this should be fine, and return from here, right? So I think our express is still not installed. So I will be showing you, we will be continuing our video, or we will be continuing our series from the next video until we install this express, right? So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.